What's in the bag, Gil? Action!
Welcome to the next episode of Season 2 of What's in the Bag. Today, we have Eagle Eye Ron, not a stranger, not here all the time, but him and Eagle Communications brought a special gift for us to try. Tell us about it, Ron.
Well, kind of was looking at some whiskeys to use in my barbecue sauce, and figured we'd give this a shot and drink it straight. It's Jalapeno Honey by Bird Dog, and we'll let it go from there. I got it for only $19.95, I think it was, locally here in Tennessee, and I tasted it, but I figured I'd give the crew a chance to give it a try and see if they can take some heat of that jalapeno.
Excellent. Well, let's give this a pour. All right, so we got our pours. Who I didn't introduce yet, though, what this glass is for a special friend, Mutant Aunt Neighbor Lee. If you've been following some episodes, he's a new local guy, hot in the area. He's got some cool stuff going on. So go find an episode or two of Mutant Aunt Neighbor Lee. Right? You ready to play?
Hey, Mutant Aunt.
Hi, I'm at Mutant Neighbor Lee. It's so nice to see you again. Thank you for welcoming me.
So let's give this. All right, still off of this. Getting some bourbon essence, getting some oaks. Definitely a lot of the honey.
Well, yeah, I definitely smell the caramel in it. Not a whole lot of the jalapeno. It does have the jalapeno burn in the front of the tongue, maybe a little bit in the middle of the tongue. And then it smooths out with, with that honey. So this is a good sipper for 20 bucks. I think it's worth it.
Definitely.
And if not, I think actually with the heat on this and the jalapeno, I'm going to experiment with it and put it in my barbecue sauce that I'm making for the. So I think it's well worth the 40 bucks, or the 20 bucks, I should say. 40 for two. Aunt Neighbor Lee.
Lee?
Oh, thank you. There is a bit of smokiness in here. Ooh, I like this drink, but it's time to ask that question. Gentlemen, is this something you would buy again? Me, I give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely worth the 20 bucks. I'm going to try it in my barbecue sauce on the weekend. I think that will enhance it with the honey and definitely the jalapeno. I give it a thumbs up.
I'm normally not a flavored whiskey guy. A lot of times they get super sweet. This one's on the end of sweet, but I've really enjoyed that heat. With the alcohol content, you're actually getting some of the heat from the jalapeno and still some of the bourbon, and that's actually kind of nice. I went today with the CAO Soldier, and I really liked it because this is a mid to full bodied cigar, Maduro. And so it's got a lot of spice and heavy notes, and with the sweetness of the honey and the bite of the jalapeno, they are really flowing well together. So I will actually say I'm going to be on board with this one. I give it a thumbs up. So till next time, follow us, like us, subscribe. There should be buttons somewhere over here. Do it. Till next episode, we'll see you soon. Bikes, Bars, Bourbon, and Cigars.